Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on Klaviyo trial version benefits. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Klaviyo's trial version offers several benefits to help you explore the platform and its features. During the trial, you can explore many of Klaviyo's essential features without any cost. This helps you understand the platform's value before committing financially. It's an opportunity to test tools like email campaigns and automation tools. You can set up automated email flows tailored to customer behaviors, enhancing engagement. Automation saves time while ensuring timely communication with your audience. This is crucial for nurturing leads and driving conversions. Segmentation. Klaviyo allows you to create detailed segments based on customer data and behavior. This enables highly targeted messaging, improving engagement rates. Tailored communications lead to better customer experiences and increase sales. Integrations. The trial lets you explore seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This enhances your marketing efforts by syncing data and simplifying workflows. It's essential for a cohesive marketing strategy. Email templates. Access a variety of customizable email templates to create professional communications quickly. These templates save time and ensure your emails look great. A polished appearance boosts credibility and engagement. Campaigns. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns to your audience. You can design campaigns using customizable templates and segment your audience for maximum relevance. Analyzing campaign performance helps refine your strategy and improve future outreach efforts. Pricing. Klaviyo offers a tiered pricing model based on the number of contacts and the features you need. The trial version allows you to test the platform without any financial commitment, helping you assess its value. After the trial, pricing scales with your business growth, ensuring you only pay for what you use. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.